Zambia, Botswana, and South Africa. I like the animals, the big five. I like being close to nature. Because when you're close to nature, that's the closest you can get to God. So I love waterfalls. So I like Victoria Falls in Zambia. Yung Iguazu, second place sa Brazil.
Pero here in Lipa, ano po yung most parang gusto nyo?
Ito, Iho.
Iho.
I love it. There's only one of its kind in the world because I traveled everywhere. It's called the Viennesserie. The others are patisserie. There's nothing to compare. So from Manila, I come to you just to buy the products. Then I also like play golf, so I like to go to Malaraya. But another favorite is the farm in San Benito.
So sa mga local, ma'am, Lipa lang yun nandyan or may iba pang local?
Meron, my mom's hometown, Capiz, is there. Tapos may Amanpulo, and then there's Bahay Artisano, which belongs to Bea Zobel. It's her bed and breakfast. Tapos dalawang Boracay, Shangri-La and Crimson.
San Sebastian Church na feature din po dito sa
Yes.
Totoo po ba kasi dito daw nagpakasal si na Ate V, kaya
Yes. Dinala kami ni Joel because we experienced the Eat, Pray, Love. When he first invited me for Eat, Pray, Love, di ba? And so I found it's so comprehensive, it's so intimate na anybody who comes here can avail of that. Yung iba kasi pumunta ka sa fiesta, Pahiyas or sa Bacolod. Pero ilang araw lang yun. Dito sa Lipa, 365 days, walang tulugan, di ba?
At ito po ba miraculous in church kasi kapag dito daw nagpakasal, tumatagal talaga yung marriage.
Yes, din mo si Ate B, di ba? Yeah. Pero yun, so we always go to Mount Carmel and then to San Sebastian. And then I also like the house of where Segunda Katiba, yung na-inlove sa kanya si Jose Rizal. Pero walang nangyari dahil nagpakasal sa iba. Hindi sila nagpakasal dito, hindi sila nagpakasal. Yeah, that's why.
So ma'am, gano'n po katagal yung period para makuha yung diploma?
I traveled for 25 years, so meron ako 1,000 articles. Pero this book, I only put it this year. So all the traveling, yun ang matagal, yung experiences. Pero to choose out of 1,000 down to 60, hindi mahirap. I mean, mahirap, pero not in that sense na may criteria ka, but I listen to my heart. So in that sense, it becomes easy, di ba? Kasi it's all in the head, it's all in the mind. But once you use your heart, it's easy. So Lipa, no-brainer.
So ilang pages po yung libro?
465 pages, 4 kilos. Tapos may QR code. So pag skinan mo yung QR code sa phone lang or whatever, it will lead you to the website of that particular destination. Pati yung sa inyo, you try it. May QR to your tourism office. Para yung tao, alam nila saan sila tatawag or magko-contact.
Ma'am, dito sa Philippines, meron pa kayong lugar na hindi niyo napunta pa, na gusto niyo puntahan?
Mindanao. No, I only went to Davao. But not mga Zamboanga, yung mga places na ganyan. Although I want to go.
So marami-rami pa.
Marami pa. Pero sa around the world, 6 continents. Tapos sa February, Antarctica, so 7 na. So another book. Sige.
Part 2.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.